In the modern-day diet, there is an emphasis on ingredient education. One of the most used ingredients worldwide is garlic. This is because it contains numerous minerals, vitamins and immune system strengthening components. In fact, the way you eat garlic can have benefits that can change your life. Eating raw garlic, for instance, can help improve various aspects of your life from combating depression to purifying your blood. Let's learn more about these benefits. Number 1. Helps weight loss. Eating a couple of pods of garlic on an empty stomach for weight loss is extremely beneficial. Garlic contains components that help with burning bad and excessive fats in your body. Studies from numerous nutritional journals also claim that garlic can speed up your metabolism in general. Number 2. Helps control blood sugar. Garlic is an extremely useful ingredient in a sugar-friendly diet. It is rich in a compound known as allicin. This component is known for controlling and lowering blood sugar levels. Allicin is further amplified when you crush or chop a garlic pod. Eating crushed raw garlic pods twice a day can help improve your sugar levels immensely. Number 3. Combats depression. Garlic is a great ingredient for physical and mental health. When consumed raw and on an empty stomach, garlic is known to have natural mood-lifting properties. It is also known that garlic is great at balancing chemicals in your body, and this includes brain chemicals. Depression is caused by an imbalance of brain chemicals, and as such, garlic can help fight depression. Number 4. Prevents cancer. Garlic is rich in anti-inflammatory, antibiotic and anti-carcinogenic properties. When you eat it raw on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, it can help prevent some forms of cancer. This is also in part due to the fact that garlic is very rich in detoxification and antioxidants. Number 5. As mentioned above, garlic is a great natural antibiotic. Although it does not replace medication, garlic eaten raw daily can amplify medication functions. Eating it regularly also helps keep infections at bay for long periods of time. Number 6. Reduces hypertension. Raw garlic on an empty stomach is known to help fight symptoms of hypertension. Doctors recommend eating garlic on an empty stomach every day as a preventive measure for those who may be at risk of hypertension. Number 7. Purifies the blood. Eating garlic on an empty stomach is great for your blood. The detoxification agents in garlic help remove impurities in your bloodstream and can improve blood vessel health. The antioxidants, antibiotic properties, and anti-inflammation properties all play a part in the purification of your blood. Number 8. Helps digestion. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and prebiotics and probiotics. These components help increase gut health. Garlic also has minerals and vitamins that play a huge role in improving liver, bladder and kidney health. This works in tandem with the anti-stress properties of garlic, which stop the increase in excessive stomach acid to ensure a cleaner and more efficient digestive tract. Number 9. Improves lung health. Garlic helps clear the respiratory tract. Consuming garlic regularly can fight dangerous pulmonary diseases like asthma, bronchitis, whooping cough, and tuberculosis. It also helps ease lung congestion and improves oxygen levels in the body. Add to the fact that garlic has antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties and it becomes the perfect food for the common cold. Thanks for watching this video.